Now I'm going to show you how to do number 2. Now for this one, before we start any of our solving, and here you can see that the side lengths are in feet, but the answer has to be in yards. So before we do all of our stuff, we're gonna convert the feet into yards, and to do that, we would divide the feet by 3 because there are 3 feet in a yard. Now we'll take the first one, which is 599, and divide that by 3. So you get 199.6. And since the answer is it says to the nearest unit, we would do this one to the nearest unit. That's how I'm going to do it. So that would be 200 yards. And then we'll do it again for the 539 divided by 3. And since that is 179.6, we'll round that to 180 yards. For that. Okay, now let's go back to the problem. So for this one, you would want to draw a picture so it's easier to visualize what you're doing. Now, so one length is the 180 yards, and the other length is 200 yards. And it says that they are 2 adjacent sides, so make sure if you're going to put them down that they're next to each other. Now it says right here the angle in between is 79 degrees. So we'll put that in between them, 79 degrees. Now to do this, you would solve by doing the area equals 1/2 times B times C times the sine of A, which that really just means the area equals 1/2 times the side, so 180, times the other side, so 200, times the sine of the angle in between, which would be 79 for this problem. You don't have to put the degree sign. Now we're going to put that into our calculator. So 1/2 or 0.5 times the side, which would be 180, times the other side, which is 200, times the sine of the angle in between, which is 79. So that's 17,669. And since it says round to the nearest unit, you wouldn't have to change the number. So area would equal 17,669 yards squared. Don't forget your units. And that's how you would do number 2.